Hi students, today we discuss a new concept that is factors favorable for the formation of ionic bond. In ionic bond formation requires one cation and one anion. The following factors are favorable for the formation of a cation. They are large atomic size, low charge on the ion, low ionization potential, cations with inert gas configuration. Now we discuss one by one in detail. First, large atomic size. Large atoms lose their valency electrons easily than the smaller size atoms because nuclear attraction on valency electrons is less. When we observe in a modern periodic table charts in first A group elements, cesium readily lose their valency electrons when compared with sodium atom because the nuclear attraction in their valency electrons of cesium atom is less when compared with sodium atoms. So, the cesium cation formed easily than the other alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium. That means the cesium cations readily formed when compared with lithium, sodium, potassium and rubidium cations. Next, low charge on the ion. Formation of an ion with low charge requires lower ionization potential than with higher charge. For example, here we observed that sodium having single positive charge, magnesium having dipositive charge, aluminum have tripositive charge. That means the sodium cation is formed easily when compared with aluminum and magnesium cations because here in order to formation of the sodium cation we required lesser ionization potential than in the formation of magnesium and aluminum cations. Next, low ionization potential. Atoms with low ionization potential loses their valency electrons easily. For example, potassium cation is formed easily than that of sodium cation because here the ionization potential of potassium is less when compared with sodium because we can already discuss that in a group from top to bottom the atomic size increases. As the atomic size increases, the ionization potential value is also decreases. So, potassium cation forms readily when compared with sodium cation. Next, cations with inert gas configuration. Cations with noble gas configuration are more stable and easily formed. For example, calcium cation having in their valency electronic configuration as 288. That means here it is having noble configuration in their valency orbit. When we observe here, the zinc cation having the electronic configuration 2818 configuration. That means in zinc in their valency orbit having 8 electrons. So, here the calcium cation is more stable when compared with zinc cation. So, the calcium cation forms readily ionic bond when compared with zinc cations. These are the factors favorable for the formation of a cation. Now, we discuss the factors favorable for the formation of a anion. They are smaller atomic size, higher electron affinity and electronegativity, low charge on the anion. Now we discuss in detail one by one. First, smaller atomic size. The smaller atoms have more tendency to accept an electron to form anion rather than larger atoms. For example, fluorine anion formed easily than chloride anion because the fluorine is smaller in size, so it attracts the electrons easily when compared with chlorine atom. So the fluoride anion forms readily rather than the chloride anion. Higher electron affinity and electronegativity. An atom with high electron affinity and electronegativity value has a greater tendency to accept electrons. For example, fluoride anion having higher electronegativity when compared with oxygen and nitrogen anions. So, the fluoride anion has a tendency to accept valence electrons easily rather than oxygen and nitrogen. So, the fluoride anion forms readily rather than oxygen and nitrogen anions. Low charge on the anion. The univalent anions formed more easily than bi and trivalent anions. That means the fluoride anion formed by accepting only one electron, whereas oxygen anion is formed by accepting 2 electrons, and nitrogen anion is formed by accepting 3 anions. It is easy for the formation of anion by accepting 1 electron. So, the fluoride anion forms readily rather than oxygen and nitrogen anions. So, these are the factors that are favorable for the formation of anion. By following these 2 factors, we can easily form the ionic bond between the cation and anion. Thank you for watching this video.